Hi there. Just solved a problem that I think might show something about how the recycle bin actually, well, not how it operates, but how you can operate it really. The problem I had was wiping files from the recycle bin I used from the A Shampoo program. Just asked it to wipe all the files that was in there. And even though it's blank and there's nothing in there, it kept finding things and kept deleting them. And it seemed to be a lot of temp files and gumph, about, several thousand files in total. And I didn't know what the hell was going on. So I decided to investigate it. Now, to investigate it, go into a computer and go into your C drive. And so the recycle bin folder that it's actually pointing to is one of these system folders again. So like I did in the last video, we want to make sure that we can actually see all the system folders on the system. So to do that, we can go into Tools and Folder Options again, go into the View menu and click this. We want to show all files and folders, and we don't want it to hide the system operating system, we want them to show them. So tick that. You've chosen to display the operating system files. Yes, I have. Well done. Okay, click OK on that one. And now we can see on mine it's percentage recycle.bin. That's fine. I can open that up. And you notice you got then several, well, I got several recycle bins all kind of modified on different dates. You can see some from going back to 2008 and some for 2012 up here. Don't know what they are, but if you go in there again, you can see that they're probably empty. But what I found is I thought, hang on, if it's empty, is it just possible that I don't actually have permission to view the files and folders that are actually in my recycle bin? So I decided to have a look at the security settings for the recycle bin. And if I go into the properties for it, and what I did was I went onto security and on the advanced menu, and I noticed it said this, yeah, see, these are administrators that set for full control, right? System, full control. But for me, I got special permission. Now I thought, what the hell is special permission, right? So I went into the change permission thing, and again, it comes up with the same thing. I got special permission. Don't worry that it's not inherited from anything. If you're a system administrator, you'll know what that means. But what I tried to do is to edit it, and well, now I've changed it. I've actually given myself full control now. But I noticed that when I first came on here that quite a few of them were just not on there. They weren't ticked, which means, well, what they say is you have an implicit deny. If you're not allowed, it just automatically assumes that it's not allowed. So I clicked full control on that. I clicked OK. And then I could give myself full control over my recycle bin to do what I want. And you also want to replace all the child objects within that folder as well. So it'll inherit all the permissions. So that's pretty cool. So I want to click OK on that one as well. And this will replace the defined result. Yeah, I want to change the permissions. That's right. And what I did is I clicked OK on that and clicked OK. And then when I went back in there you go. It's telling me that recycle bin on C is corrupted. Do you want to empty the recycle bin for this drive? What I've been noticing is that I get these errors a few times and I click yes on them. It seems to wipe everything that's in there. And then these error messages go away again. So I don't know what's happening there. Something is telling me that my recycle bins just aren't working properly, they're corrupted. So, I want to show you that, and I want to show you that error message can come up as well, because I did that and it did seem to do it. When I went back into A Shampoo then to wipe everything, it told me no, there's nothing to wipe. So by clicking the yes to that corrupted message to say, yes, I do want to remove everything that's in that recycle bin, it did seem to delete everything. So if you find that you've got things that seem to be stuck in the recycle bin, just try that. But the one word of warning I will give you is that error message will pop up from time to time. I've only done this a few minutes ago, so I don't know if this is going to be really annoying. That error message going to keep coming up all the time or not. Hopefully it's not. But you know, if you are having problems with the recycle bin, just go into the properties of it there. Go into the security settings, into the advanced, and just check these special permissions. Make sure that you do actually pass this on to all the child objects, so that all the child objects can be deleted then, and then you should be good to go. I couldn't securely wipe all the files that were in there, but it did seem to delete them. So hopefully now when I go to wipe the yes, okay. Hopefully now when I go to wipe all the free space, that will have actually allocated it now as free space, and hopefully I should just be able to wipe straight over the top of those the files that were there. Oh, there you go. It's still saying it's corrupted, so I'm not sure what's going on, but if it does the trick for you, great. If not, then yeah, you've got this problem. Okay, that's not the greatest end to a video, I know. So that with most of these things, well, they can cause you problems, and if you know what the risk is, and you're having these kind of problems, you want to give it a go. That's how to do it. All right. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.